much for clicking on the video. My name is Ruben, and today we are going to look at a previous video of mine where I selected 5 stocks just to see how badly or how good they have been doing. Before I begin, please note, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any information that I provide in my videos financial advice. Please understand the risk that you are taking before making any investment. You are spending a lot of money, or you are working hard for the money that you do spend, so please make an informed decision. Please understand the risk you are taking when investing. As always, we have the Easy Equities account open here, and the video that I will be looking at to review, where I chose 5 stocks, is the penny into stocks and spending 100 Rand on 5 stocks using Easy Equities. Okay, so the video is on silent. What I'm going to be doing is basically just skipping through this video, identifying the 5 stocks and seeing what the price was for these stocks in this video, and then going on to Easy Equities to view the price now, and then just seeing the growth or the decline in the portfolio or in the bundle of 5 stocks that I chose way back in April, the 28th of April. So let's just get into the video. As you guys can see, I've already liked this video. Please do like the videos. It doesn't cost you anything and it really means the world to me. Also, I will be putting a link down below in the description for Easy Equities. Basically what happens is, once you figured and invested money into your Easy Equities platform or account, you'll get 50 Rand for free. And what will happen on my side is that I get 50 Rand in easy money. Easy money is basically money that you cannot withdraw. It goes through for all your fees with regards to brokerage and etc. So that's where the fees actually come out from. But you will get 50 Rand to invest in shares. I can't use this money to invest in shares. Okay, let's go back into the video. And here we are at the first stock, which is Pioneer Foods. So Pioneer Foods, I should have mentioned this in the previous video, but because I saw this line running right to the end, I assumed that there might have been an error on the Easy Equities website. But yeah, this stock over here is actually suspended. If we go to the Easy Equities website, search for Pioneer Foods, we should see the price of 109 Rand and 91 cents. And indeed we do see it here. Last price is 109 Rand and 91 cents, and they've actually removed the line over here, so this shows that the account is suspended. What happens usually is either the account, you cannot purchase a stock if the market is not open, or the particular stock is suspended from the JSE, so Easy Equities won't allow you to purchase it. They also included this new feature on the Easy Equities website. I don't think I've mentioned it before in my recent videos, but here you can actually choose the amount of money, or they stipulate the amount of money that you are actually allowed to spend in a particular stock. So they have capped that there, which is actually cool for you to see before purchasing. So here it's at 0 Rand, which basically says I can't spend any money on the stock. And they also make mention this could be part of the market that has reopened, or when the particular instrument is unsuspended, which is when you would be allowed to purchase a stock. So that's it from Pioneer Foods. First stock is a draw. The second stock, if I remember correctly, was Quantum Foods. Let's just check if we can skip this here. Not sure what this chap is saying here, but yeah, here's the second stock over here, Quantum Foods. Let me just make the screen bigger. 360. We'll say that's about 365 cents for that stock, Quantum Foods. So 28th of April, priced at about 365 cents. So far, it's 0% growth in the stock. If we search for Quantum Foods, wow, it's priced at 990, the last price of it, and we actually purchased it 27th or 28th of April. This was at about 354 cents, or if we just go 365 cents. There's the 365 cents. If you had purchased the stock, you would have made more than 120% back on your investment, which is pretty cool, considering that most of the accounts that I know of, or people that talk to me about their stock bundles or their easy equities account, is normally in red. To have something at 100% is, I think, incredible. So yeah, out of 2 stocks, I'm winning on it at 120%. I'm just going to be using round numbers to round up, but yeah, Quantum Foods coming in clutch. If we skip here forward, let's just check. 365 cents. I'm not sure if you guys saw it there, but yeah, there's the 365 cents was the price of Quantum Foods on the 27th of April when I recorded this video. The next stock I believe was Zeta. Oh, here we are, Zeta Investment Limited. If we fast forward here, let's see if we can catch a price somewhere. 190 cents. So third stock from that video is Zeta Investment Limited, and they were at 190 cents. Let's see what I had for that stock, or what's the stock price for today. It's at 244 cents. 244 cents basically says that there was a growth of, let's just go back here, and 190, so 10% of that is actually, we'll round up and say that's 20 cents. So 20 cents would have taken me, so it's about 29% increase in the stock. So yeah, if you had invested your money, you would have gotten back an extra 29% on the capital that you did invest, which is pretty cool. So far, first stock was 0, second stock was about 120%, third stock it's about a 29%, but I'll round down just to make sure that I have some leeway and say that there's about a 20% increase in the Zeta investment. So far, not so bad. That there's a 140% return on 3 stocks, and the 1 stock you couldn't actually purchase. So yeah, that's the third stock. The fourth stock here is, I believe it was gold. I never leave out gold, and I never leave out my boys over at Bowen Properties. So let's just check if memory serves me correctly. I couldn't have been talking about Zeta for that long. Come on, let's check what I select here. It should be this one over here. New gold. Yeah, it is new gold. Okay, let's just check here. What was the price of it? Just gonna make this a bit bigger, and yeah, we can say it was at about 300 rand, 310 rand. I'm not sure if I actually go down to the bottom of this one. Yeah, no, I doubt I went to the bottom of gold, because gold is something that I don't even look at the price of. But in any event, let's come here, check the invest now tab. It was priced at, we say, 310 rand. GLD is a short name for new gold. New gold here, and yeah, priced at last price 281 rand. So it was initially priced at 310 rand. 10% of that is 30 rand, so you would have lost about 10% on this particular stock. 310 minus 31 rand will give you 280. Yeah, I think about 281 bucks, 280. The brain's not working, but yeah, it's about a 30 rand decrease, which is about 10% of what the stock was priced. So you would have actually made a loss on this particular stock. Taking us, our total now is 0% on the first one, 120% on the second one, 20% we agreed on the third one, and negative 10% on the fourth one. So currently my overall portfolio is sitting at 130%. I'm not sure about you, but I'm chuffed about that there. So basically the way in which I analyze stocks is working well for me. And we come on over to Bowen Properties. Bowen Properties is the fifth stock. I just want to check if I can catch a price here, otherwise I'm just going to say it's 2 rand. I don't want to make these videos too long. 187 cents, so that's for Zeta. Let's just come back. 2 rand. Okay guys, I'm just going to say it's 2 rand. Let's just for sanity checks. Okay, so this is about 2 rand. I'm going to say 2 rand. We'll just confirm over on Easy Equities itself as well. Invest now. Let's go down Forward. $260 it's priced at now. That is the last price, but I think it's only fair that I go down through to the 27th of April. 27th of April, 198 cents. I'm just gonna say that was 2 rand. The last price now is at 2 rand 60. So that is basically, for every 2 rand 10% is 20 cents. So that is about a 30% increase on the head, which is really awesome. Which basically takes this whole portfolio to 5 stocks that I invested in. For these 5 stocks, my growth on the 5 stocks has been 120% for Quantum, 20% on Zeta, minus 10% for New Gold, and 30% for All in Property. Taking over my overall portfolio would have been roughly around 160% return in what's that there, about 10 weeks. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Not sure about you, but I think that's really cool. And yeah, basically my whole portfolio now, just on these 5 stocks, is at 160%, which is, yeah, I'm actually impressed with myself, to say the least. And yeah, guys, so see, if you guys do follow my YouTube videos, I do give some nuggets on you, and it's up to you guys to make sure you go and do the research, understand why you're investing. If you don't agree with what I'm saying, or you don't agree with the research done on your side, then don't invest in the stock. Yeah, you work hell of a hard for your money. Don't just put your money willy-nilly anywhere. Please understand the risk that you are taking. But in any event, if you guys did enjoy the video, please smash the thumbs up button only if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.